You can't build your YouTube channel without subscribers, but you can't get subscribers without an established YouTube channel. Or can you? What's going on? It's your boy Rahim and welcome back to Bazz Business. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification. So this is a true case of fake it till you make it, but in the best way possible. We are not talking about faking something to seem cool, but rather faking habits of success before you achieve that success. In other words, you can behave like a channel with 1 million plus subscribers even if you're hanging out at just 100 subscribers. In the process, your great habits, confidence, and follower-friendly routines will attract more followers. So the first step is consistently create highly interesting and engaging content. One of the most important things you can do for potential subscribers is demonstrate that you are reliable. Over the long term, show YouTube users that you post content on a set schedule. No one wants to follow 100 ghost accounts. They want to follow a handful of content creators who they know will post content every Wednesday and Sunday, for example. Now the second step is to publish new videos frequently. Posting frequently is just as important as posting consistently. Think they are the same? They are not. Consistency is posting on a schedule. Frequency means that schedule recurs often. In other words, consistency is saying you post on Tuesday, while frequency is confirming that you post every Tuesday. Very few people will subscribe to your channel whose last video was a Tuesday in 2017. Before we dive to the next step, make sure to smash the like button. The third step is quite simple. Ask viewers to subscribe. The easiest and highly converting way to gain more subscribers is to simply ask for it. If you are not subscribed to my channel yet, please click on the red button, or you can opt to add it at the end. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Now the next step is to upload a brilliant banner. Alright, so your content was sufficiently awesome to pull a potential subscriber into your channel's landing page. Now it's up to your banner to communicate something compelling about what you do. The next step is to write an even more brilliant channel description. So now a viewer has not only clicked through to your channel, but your channel banner image propels them to investigate further. Their eyes may jump straight to your videos, but they may also fall upon your channel description, aka your place to shine. As you write, remember that most people care about what's in it for them. The next thing is to add a watermark to your video. This is a little hack you can use for your YouTube channel right away. YouTube lets you add a watermark that could be shown on all your videos. This adds another way for your viewers to subscribe to your channel. Also, remember that YouTube is about relationship building. All social media is about building a relationship, but we are talking about YouTube today. At the end of the day, your channel exists to build and further your relationship with your subscribers. So do that. Speak to real people, not your camera or some faceless audience. Respond to comments often. Have real conversations. The more you make them feel like part of your world, the more engagement and loyalty you will inspire. And the last step is to optimize your videos for discovery. You can't get new subscribers if new subscribers can't find you. That's why I recommend optimizing your videos for search. Okay, so how do you do that? Begin by creating searchable video titles while employing a brilliant use of tags, including keywords.